1995 and 97. I think there's like some 96 in there,
Okay.
Ford Ranger. Anybody that's looking to build a truck, just buy the right shit the first time. Just go CBR right out of the gate. Don't buy anything else. They all suck. CBR is the best.
We're out here at Bent Tube Motorsports with Jack, the man, the myth, the legend, the mysterious man who comes to our events, destroys everybody, and leaves quietly. And I think out of all these years of like kind of being around your truck and your driving, like I haven't had the opportunity to have good talks with Jack. And I think we got to chat before Hell Trap.
A couple times.
Yeah. This thing is a beast. I know the channel has posted this a couple times.
Yeah.
And people love this damn truck, man. And it always seems like it's going all the time. Ish. I like that. Let's let Jack tell us about this thing.
What year, make, model, and all that good stuff?
It's 1995 and 97. I think there's like some 96 in there,
Okay.
Ford Ranger.
Right on.
Equal length beams, linked, big shocks, big tires, big motor.
There it
Pretty
is,
much
man.
the key parts to having a good truck.
Yeah, it's like the ultimate like 1400 Pro truck.
Yeah.
In a sense, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever raced this thing?
A couple times.
Yeah?
Times.
Where have you raced it?
Barstow, Lucerne. First race was a night race.
Okay.
And then PCI 300, made it 7 miles, broke the trans.
Damn it.
And then PCI 300 year before that, got fourth.
No way.
Fourth in the first race too.
Damn, Jack, I didn't know you raced this thing, man.
Yeah, a couple times, and then right now it's hiding.
Okay.
It's taking it easy till we race it again.
What's the ideal race for this thing? Like, what is the course and the desert for this truck?
It likes Lucerne. That's where we go 90% of the time. It's kind of our backyard. Barstow's cool. Got to tune it more for Barstow.
I don't think any truck likes Barstow, you know? It's kind of like the bragging rights of being able to kind of go through
Maine a few times and the moon bumps and all that stuff. Other than that, it's like, all right, I'm done. My truck needs a break.
Needs a little rest after Barstow.
Yeah, Barstow's a beast. So tell us about the front end of this thing. Is this your stuff or?
The beam kit was originally designed by Kelfab Creations, guy back in like early 2000s.
Okay.
And then he stopped building stuff, so me and a buddy bought the files from him and then started producing and selling the kit.
Oh, nice. Okay.
This is the original one that we put together. It's been on the truck for about 4.5, 5 years now.
Wow. And it's holding up the abuse, man.
Yeah, one beam's pretty bent because I got a gnarly G out, but I'm doing a whole new front end to have a new production kit that I'll be
Oh,
making.
no way. Okay,
So,
cool.
Do something a little bit beefier, get rid of the Dana 44 stuff, and
Okay.
go to legit knuckles and beams.
Okay. So this is an old kit. You guys kind of made it your own. Did you guys make any changes since you got it, or?
No, the beam kit is all pretty much how he designed it.
Okay.
From radius arms, tranny cross member, beam mounts, all that stuff.
Okay.
I just want to change and get rid of the stock knuckles and have a fabricated knuckle in there.
What's like the track width on this guy or wheel travel?
It's about 80, 86, 87, depending on your wheels and stuff.
Okay.
And then,
that's perfect.
yeah, it fits in all the 2-track good. Doesn't walk around or do any weird ish.
And then with these freaking 40s?
Yeah.
Then with these 40s with that width, dude, this thing must just fit
It
the
stays
desert.
planted. You don't have to turn very much. It turns for you.
Hell yeah. Very cool.
And it's pulling about 16 inches. It's got a 2514 coilover and a 4014 bypass. Had to go with the 14 just to keep the shock mounts under the hood with how tall the beams are and everything.
What's the motor power plant in this thing?
Small block Ford. It's stroked out to a 427, built C6 trans.
Okay.
All forged rotating assembly, big heads, pretty much everything that you need to make a motor with decent power and everything.
Who built this thing?
My dad was building all the motors, so my truck,
That's
Peter's
badass.
truck, Mikey's truck, Georgie's truck, all of our trucks have my dad's motors and transmissions in them.
That is so. Your dad. Is this a trade or a hobby?
It was just a hobby. He passed away a few months ago, so
okay, man.
He was doing everything. Now I gotta take that down and start building everything for
Hell
everyone.
yeah, man. Well, rest in peace to your dad. I mean, obviously an awesome dude.
Yeah.
Got you into the right stuff. Going to the river,
Yep.
going to the desert. You know what I mean?
Horrible hobbies.
You know what? See, you say that, but I think the thing is, it's kind of like,
Get your kids hooked on this so they don't do other dumb ish.
tell us about this tire and wheel package.
So Dirty Life Wheels, my buddy, he was kind of a design guy for him. He hooked me up when I was first starting to race because I needed wheels.
I've heard of those guys. Dirty
The
Life.
front just got an upgrade of 2.5-inch Camberg hubs
Ooh,
because it was on stock
Nice.
Dana 44 and I broke a snout pre-running last race.
Oh shoot. Okay.
So-
So you had to step it up, huh?
Yeah, stepped it up to the Camberg hubs, 14-inch rotors, 6-piston Willwoods.
you feeling good about that setup now? More confidence?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the Dana 44 part on the 40s. People called me crazy, but never really had problems. Those snouts had like 3 years on them of getting the shit beat out of them.
It can work.
Oh yeah,
It can work, yeah.
It works. My main thing was I would have put it back together, just the brakes are too small.
Okay.
Didn't have enough braking power for the big tires.
I'm sorry. What were the brakes on this thing again?
They're 14-inch rotors and 6-piston Willwood calipers.
Nice.
All
So
from-
this
all
thing's
from Camberg.
stopping now.
Yeah.
Anything you want to mention with some of the cooling stuff or alternator or?
Anybody
New
that's
stuff?
looking to build a truck, just buy the right shit the first time.
Okay.
Don't
Buy
cheap out.
once, cry once.
Yeah, buy once, cry once, and do it all right.
Okay.
Radiator, that's not right, but it cools good, so I'm leaving it. But
Okay.
as for coolers, as in transmission or oil or anything, just go CBR right out of the gate. Don't buy anything else. They all suck. CBR is the best.
There it is, man. Right
Get
from
those
Jack's
done.
mouth himself right now. He's telling you what to do.
It's not fun when you got to slow down on the side of the course or while you're trying to have fun and let the thing cool down for 30 minutes before you can try driving again.
Have you had any trial and error with building this thing, or like with how
this
aggressive
is-
you drive it?
This is the second engine cage. When I originally put the V8 in the truck after it had a V6, I had to cut the whole engine cage off, redo it all. So this is the second engine cage that the truck's got. It'll all get cut off again.
Okay.
Redone again at some point, but I haven't had any real issues with the front cracking or anything like that.
Yeah.
Nothing that stands out.
Yeah. Again,
I only mentioned this is because this dude drives pretty damn hard. I don't know if I've said that enough times in here, but I think you guys are getting the hint.
let's move to the back of this thing, man. Tell us about the rear setup.
Just your standard back half.
Okay.
It's got a 4-link rear suspension, rough stuff 3.5-inch housing with JMAR 2.5-inch hubs.
Okay.
The rear end, it just got a fresh third member from Evan Weller.
Oh, nice.
I
Yeah.
got like 2.5 years out of the
last
that
one?
was in it, and it finally nuked itself.
You know what, Evan and those boys, AJ up there, all those guys, they know what the hell they're doing, man.
Exactly.
They do
That's
some
why-
good stuff.
That's why I went with them.
As you guys see, Jack has all his weight, behind the rear end, which is very important, to balance out that front. Running 2 dual spares right here. Dude, this thing looks so aggressive. It looks awesome, man.
Little on the big side.
It looks so, it looks like a truck that would be drawn.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you're gonna draw it.
That's when I first put the 40s on it. I was like, this thing looks like a Tonka truck. Kind of thing. I was like, I don't know how I feel about this, but the
Yeah.
difference in the 40s from the 37s on ride quality, it's insane.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, now I see why people want these things on their trucks.
Right.
All the little holes, they go away. The chatter bumps almost go away. I mean, chatter
Right.
bumps suck. no
Right,
matter
right.
what, But
Damn
definitely
racers.
fills a lot of shit in. I had a different fabricated housing in it, and this is another buy once, cry once thing. I was
Okay.
running 35 spline axles on 37s.
Ooh, okay.
With a big motor. I probably broke, I want to say like 10 axles from Curry.
Oh shoot.
And
Yeah.
a 9-inch, they don't work when you have big power. Just put a 10-inch in it right away.
Right on.
I think I went through probably another 10 third members in this truck.
See, so you guys are learning in this video. You guys are going to learn today, man.
Just
That's what you guys got to do.
Spend the money, go to Camberg, go to Rough Stuff, or
Yeah.
any of those brands. Just buy big parts once.
Yeah.
You won't have problems.
Make it happen.
Many trips got cut short because I had no axles anymore.
And that sucks, man. And then you guys
You're looking at the downtime for ordering parts, repairs, the money,
Yeah.
losing money on that trip instead of just like, hey, I'm going to wait another 6 months,
Yeah,
save up
exactly.
that money, do it right.
After I did this, it was never had to touch it.
hell yeah. So you got 2 Optimas back here.
Yep.
Very good. And then this is a 35, 38?
32-gallon cell.
Oh, this is the Jeep Speed one.
Yeah, that's a Jeep Speed cell.
Rear package setup, start shock package. I like how you're running the swayways, man. This is way cool.
Yeah, I got.
I don't see swayways too much.
Guy posted the shocks for sale. They were all brand new.
Okay.
They came off of like a movie prop monster truck or something.
What? Okay.
And so I picked up all the bypasses around the truck. Rear coilovers are a 3.0 Custer. So
Custer.
Real old Kings. They still got the little compression clickers inside the rods and everything.
Nice.
So those are.
I've never even heard of those.
Yeah, they're OG Kings.
Nice. Okay.
Like
cool.
these shafts, these are like early IBPs. So the shaft is hollow and there's actually a piston in the shock. So it's like a real early internal bypass.
That's insane, man. I've never even heard of that.
Yeah.
That's
you
really
can't
cool.
find parts for them, and if you break a shaft, you just put a regular shaft in it because
And it works.
trying to fix those or hollow out a shock shaft, it's just not worth it.
That's insane. I've never even heard of that. So cool. How's this setup running back here?
Dual CBRs.
Yeah.
Same thing, like I said earlier.
Working pretty damn good.
Yeah, you can go out. I used to have some other like fluidine coolers and whatnot. We'd go out to the sand dunes and I'd watch Kyle drive his truck for 45 minutes on the rev limiter, no problem.
And you're like, son of a...
10 minutes in and the trans is at 240 and I'm like, all right, I'm done. And now I can go out and do the same thing and it'll be at 180.
Oh, we didn't even mention these lights over here.
Yeah, that's a new addition. Those are some Amazon Faha designs.
Faha?
Faha designs.
And then these are the old Soltec Baja designs.
Those I like having good light.
So these are the Baja designs. Those are the Faha designs.
Yeah.
Aha.
Yeah, those are the best deal right there.
Yeah. Sorry, we didn't even mention that. But
Yeah.
So you're running
Legit Baja designs up front.
legit ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
One thing is put good light on your truck,
Yeah.
especially if you got power.
Hell yeah.
You run out of light way quicker than you think.
Let's see.
Prp Seats.
Okay.
They found them at the swap meet. Some guy had them brand new for like $400.
Nice.
Got the
Even the ostrich kind of.
yeah, got the bougie ostrich skin going on.
Dang,
and it
all right.
matched. I saw them and I was like, yeah, I need those because it kind of goes with the carpet, and then
No,
the truck has the factory headliner.
Oh,
in
it's
it still.
perfect, man.
So it kind of all flowed good. And then dash is all handmade.
Okay.
Made a mold out of, or like a mock-up dash out of cardboard. Made
Okay.
a mold and then fiberglass the dash. Me and my dad did.
Hell yeah.
And then I got to put new leather on it. All the stuff, all the glue's peeling.
Little
off,
things,
but
man. Yeah.
Little things that don't matter.
Yeah, for sure. Well, it looks solid. It looks really, really good. It almost has like the stock width.
Yeah,
height, and
we based it
looks
off
great.
of like the stock like 94 dash or something,
Okay.
just to get the rough sizes that we need. And then
Yeah.
the first one when we made it didn't have this little indent right here. When I would get taller people in the truck, they were hitting their legs on it.
Ah, so you're.
So I did that little indent, and then I realized I should have just moved the seats back.
Got it. And then you still got this guy in here.
Yep, still got to have a windshield.
Yep.
Can't do without that. No back window right now because it broke when we were out pre-running last time.
Damn it.
So
It happens.
waiting on a new back window.
Right on. And then what trans do you have in this? Is this something you said your dad built?
Yeah, it's a C6. So
Okay.
it's same thing as a Turbo 400, just a Ford version of it.
Okay.
Full roller eyes, make it as power robbing as possible kind of thing.
Okay.
Big clutches, billet everything inside. And then
Nice.
TCS torque converter.
Oh, okay.
Always those guys in Havasu, they know what's up.
Nice,
And then
man. You
Switch
got
Pros for the electronics management and whatnot.
excellent. And what radio you got in here?
Kenwood, 110 watt.
Okay. Cool.
And then rugged intercom,
Nice.
rugged headsets and whatnot.
Well, man, I love this thing, man. I wish we could spend some time like out there in the desert sometime. So
We're out all the time.
if you guys are going, give us a holler. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Thanks for inviting us out, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Jack is the man. Do you fab work here is it like friends or are you open for business? How do you do this?
Open for business. Right now I'm trying to get some other stuff situated and
Okay.
whatnot, but small jobs if you want a bumper or bed cage, any little stuff. No more big jobs.
No
right
more
now.
big jobs. You guys come in, get that crap, and get the hell out.
Pretty
No
much.
bullshit. Serious people only, all right? If you guys want to hit him up, we'll leave his Instagram obviously right here. You guys can hit him up right there. Any questions for Jack or his setup, anything that I missed, please be sure to reach out to him. You guys can probably leave stuff in the comments, and we'll check those out. We'll try to get those to Jack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And you guys know somebody that's building a truck like this, send it to them, inspire them, and have them get that shit done. Later, guys. Have a good one. Take
Later.
care.